Next in CSS, we are going to do different text formatting features like text transformation, word spacing, letter spacing, line height, and so on. So I'm naming this file as format.html. One more file I'm creating in same folder, format.css, and in format.html this is our basic HTML code, and within body section I'm creating 3 paragraphs. Para 1, para 2, para 3. And in format.css we will be creating classes related to this p tag. p.1, I'm giving text transform to capitalized case first will be using. In capitalized case, every letter of each and every word's first letter will get converted to uppercase. p.2, here we are giving text transform to lowercase. If the letters of your sentence are in uppercase, they will get converted to lowercase. And p.3, here I'm saying uppercase, text transform to uppercase. So if all the letters are in lowercase, they will get converted to uppercase. Save it, and in format.html, first of all in head section we'll link our format.html to format.css. For that, link rel equals to, we have to give style sheet, and here href equals to, name of that file is format.css. And here we'll be linking these paragraph tags with those classes. Class equals to, I'm saying 1. Here class equals to, within double quotes, 2. And here class equals to, within double quotes, 3. Save it and click on go live. So we can see that this was capitalized case. First letter of this word has converted to capital letter. If there are more words, each and every first letter of all those words would have been converted to uppercase. Here it is small case and here it is uppercase. Like here we are giving, this is para 1. Save it. Yeah, this is para 2, and this is para 3. Save it, click on go live. Now we can clearly see that this has P as capital letter, is and as I is capital, and para P is capital. Here all the letters are in lowercase case and here all the letters are in uppercase. Next is text indent. So here we are creating one paragraph. H2 heading I'm giving text indent, and here I'm creating paragraph. Save it and click on go live. So this is how Lauren. Save it and click on go live. So this is how our paragraph is looking in our browser. Now I want that this letter should indent by 50 pixel. That means first line of your paragraph will get indented by 50 pixel. That means right now it is starting from here. If we'll give 50 pixel, it will start from this point. So here I'm giving p style equals to text indent. Here I'm saying 50 pixel. Save it and click on go live. So we can see that it has shifted to right side. Next, we want that space between these two lines should increase. For that, we have to use line height. So here we have to give line height. I'm saying it should be 10 pixel. Save it and click on go live. So it is 10 pixel. If we increase it to 20 pixel, it will look like this. If we increase more, then it will shift to more downside. Next is word spacing. In word spacing, what will happen? Space between all these words will increase. So here I'm giving in CSS, in format.css, I'm saying that word spacing should be 20 pixel. In p.1 we have done this. So save it and click on go live. So we can see that each and every word has shifted to space of 20 pixel is in between each and every word. Then we want letter spacing. So here in p.3 we are giving letter spacing. Letter spacing. Each and every letter will shift apart. So I'm giving 20 pixel. Save it and click on go live. So we can see that here it has got letter spacing. Next we want to give text shadow to this p.1. So here we are giving text shadow 2 pixel horizontally, 2, don't put comma, 2 pixel vertical shadow we want. So save it and click on go live. So we can see that here it has got text shadow. Now we want that shadow should have color. We want to give color to this shadow. So here we in format.css, here we are specifying color to be red. Save it and click on go live. We can see that it has got color. We want that it should get blur effect also. So here in format.css we are giving blur effect to 2 pixel only. This is horizontal shadow, this is vertical shadow, this is blur effect, and this is the color of your shadow. Save it and click on go live. So it has got blur effect also.